It's intended to make the area better looking and more used by pretty much everyone. So the project back here is to replace the old patio that we had. It was made up of asphalt sidewalks and flagstone pavers. And we wanted to remove all of that and get a totally fresh, new look that would really highlight what we've got going on out here, not only at the patio, but at the college. And we also wanted to make the area more easily accessible for everyone, individuals with different disabilities, because those flagstone pavers were uneven and kind of hard to navigate. We really felt it was time to make a whole revamp of this back area. We're hoping to enhance the project a lot more seating areas. We've got right out of the pit area, there's going to be some large shade sails that'll provide some comfort in the hotter months. And then we're also including charging stations for cell phones and computers so that students can come out here, sit down, relax, charge their devices, and also access the internet. We're also increasing internet accessibility out here by adding some stations that'll give better internet signal. The college for a long time we've used a lot of our funds to do things that we had to do. We had to fix roofs, we had to repave parking lots because we had issues with those. So it's really nice to have a project that we can all be proud of, that beautifies our campus and makes people want to come out to campus and stay on campus and really enjoy everything that we've got to offer.